Hi everybody, this is Scott again with Extreme Auto Repair, and Ronald Bottoms, one of my great mechanics with a 2013 Jeep Wrangler 3.6 liter. He brought it in. He said he changed valve cover gaskets and a few other things. We were turning it over. Don't sound like it's got compression, so he's going to turn it over. Go ahead, Ron, turn it over. All right, and that's on cylinder 1. It looks like it's got about 2 pounds of compression. Even the sound of it sounds like a maybe like a jump timing. We do know the cam is turning. We pulled off the solenoid and actuator in the front. We saw the cam turning. So he probably has a timing chain issue. Another shop said he needed an engine, but we think he may just need timing set and could be head serviced. Thank you. All right, back again using my Teflon bore scope NTS 500, and I got it on side camera. We removed the compression tester and stuck this in, and what we found was person had stuck shop rags in there in the intake, I guess, to prevent stuff from falling in when he was doing the valve covers. Well, when it went on the stroke downwards, it created a vacuum and sucked the shop rags in the cylinder and kept the valves open when the valves went to reclose, and that's why it don't have any compression. So now we're going to have to remove the lower intake and check everything else out. I'm sure there's rags and everything, and hopefully just that will fix it and no further mechanical issues. This is so crazy and so wild. Thank you. I'd like you to share, follow us if you haven't, like it, and everything else. Thank you all. Bye.